Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to Shopify. It's very easy to do it because as well as it's very important because no matter what product or what awesome product you're selling, you need to set up your payment, right? So you have to just click on setting, which is on the left bottom. Once you click on it here, you will get this option on the left side lot of just go to the payment options. When you go to the payment option here, you will see this option payment provider, right? And by the way, you will get another option which is of PayPal, so I will just explain a little bit later. So here we will just choose a provider under the payment providers, right? So once you click here, it will just give us the few things. So for example, I prefer a Stripe. You can just go with Stripe or which is called Razor Pay, which is very good one. So you can just use any one of them, and all the installation are pretty similar. So once I click on about Razor Pay Direct, I'll just click on install, right? And sometimes it's take a time. Same way goes for the Stripe. You have to make ID over the Stripe to use it. So here Razor Pay Direct has been installed, right? And sometimes it's take a little bit time and you will be redirected to Razorpay store. So here you have to make a ID and you have to log in into this, and once you're logged in, you will able to automatically Shopify store will come to know and they will link your payment system, right? So in this way you will able to accept credit card, debit card, or Apple Pay and Google Pay and everything, right? And by the way, here some of there are different section. For example, Ocean Pay that they are provide so many options, right? So you can just go with that, all the which I showed you here exactly same how to install it. Now I will show you if you want to go with PayPal, right? So let's go to the Stripe. Oh, not Stripe, sorry. We will just go to the Shopify. Let me open it up, right? We'll just go to the setting again, payment section, and here you will see option which is called PayPal, right? So we'll click on activate PayPal, and once you click on activate, you will get this option of activate on the top right. Same goes with the PayPal. You have to log in into the PayPal and then you will able to link your PayPal account, right? So yeah, that is pretty simple to do it. And once you here in some of the countries there are option of manual payments, so you can, if you get it, if you want to set up it, you can just set up your manual payment here, and payment capture method which is automatic at the checkout. So this is not for the, even though if you want to know, you can just click on activate or check it here automatically at checkout, or whatever the options you can just rate it, and it's pretty simple. The main thing comes here, that is called manual payment methods. Click on manual, and here it is also give us option of cash on delivery. In some of the region countries it is available, right? So if you want to set up your cash on delivery, click on cash on delivery. You can just write here additional detail or something, for example, this much amount for this much days and everything, right? So whatever, right? Then just click on activate cash on delivery, and cash on delivery is activated, right? It's very easy. And payment method customization, if you want to do it, click on view payment method customization, and here you will get this another applications which you can install it and you can just use it, right? I hope you found this video very useful. So this is it guys, see you guys in the next video, take care.